Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Once again, we are going to talk about composition today, and today's theme is macro photography. So let's get started.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today, like I said, we are going to talk about composition with respect to macro photography. I have made many composition videos guys, and today we are going to go a little specific with macro photography. I mostly do macro photography with my Renox TCR 250, and I use both my kit lenses, 1855 and 7300 kit lenses, and I'll show you those images today, and we'll try to study them and try to understand the composition in each image. So let's get started. The rule of thirds is the easiest way to get your photos right. In the rule of thirds, we divide our frame in a 3x3 grid and place the subject along these lines or at the intersecting points of these lines. For instance, you can place flower stems along one of the vertical guidelines, and you can place the insect at the intersection of two grid lines called power points. When I photograph flowers, I like to focus on the lines and curves of the petals. This adds interest but doesn't require that I show anything more than my subject. Nature is full of patterns. You can fill your frame with a pattern and make it your subject. Leaves, tree trunks, flowers are full of interesting and colorful patterns. To keep your photo more interesting, experts recommend creating diagonal lines. Parallel lines can be boring and unappealing sometimes, but if you give it some diagonals, you create a great effect such as that of action. Try and isolate your subject within the frame in an interesting and appealing composition. This can easily be done by having a neat, clean backdrop. If I lower my flash and place it to the side of the subject, I may get a black background, and if I increase my flash exposure, I may get some color in my background. Using negative space leaves the viewer with nothing else other than your chosen subject to concentrate on. You can see that I have added in some space on the left and moved the subject to the right side of the frame. Using leading lines in your image provides the viewer with a natural path for the eye to follow, guiding them through your image. The best part is that they can be found pretty much anywhere. Placing your main subject off center, as with the rule of thirds, creates a more interesting photo, but it can leave a void in the scene which can make it feel empty. You can achieve a balanced composition and even out the main subject's visual weight by including another object of lesser importance to fill the frame. Our viewpoint has a massive impact on the composition of our photo, and as a result, it can greatly affect the message that the shot conveys. Rather than just shooting from eye level, consider photographing from high above, down at ground level, from the side, from the back, from a long way away, from very close up, and so on. Often a photo will lack impact because the main subject is so small it becomes lost among the clutter of its surroundings. By cropping tight around the subject, you eliminate the background noise, ensuring the subject gets the viewer's undivided attention. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Composition in macro photography can be a little tough as your subject is so tiny and you have such a shallow depth of field to work in. And when you're doing macro photography, automatically your camera becomes very sensitive to camera shake. So it can be tough, but I hope my tips are useful to you. In case they are, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous macro photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.